Good morning. Welcome to the Bidwell Canyon Farm pasture. Today we'll be moving some cows. The first step is to unhook the power because you do not want to get bit by the IntelliShock 31. Believe me. We haven't seen the sunshine in quite some time and it is gorgeous. Good morning, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready for the big move? The move. I think they're ready. Okay, in our goodie bag, we have our electric rope and our pigtails, which hold the electric rope above the pasture. Oh, they're ready. I hear you, girl. I hear you. Yes, indeed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is run the pigtails across over to that side of the pasture, which will give the cows a big old chunk of fresh pasture to graze on for a while, maybe a day or two, 2-3 days, and then we'll just keep moving them on down the pasture and see how they do. Okay, here is a little time-lapse footage of me pushing pigtails into the soil across the pasture over to a barbed wire fence, which you can't see. I'll come back, grab the electric rope, string it through the tops of the pigtails, hook it to the barbed wire fence, and I'm going to go back into the pasture with a set of clippers and just trim up any grass that might be contacting that electric rope. That's especially imperative in dry season conditions for wildfire prevention. Okay, we have our hot wire strung across the pasture on the pigtails. They're just an insulator that holds them from grounding out. It just hooks onto the main line, and then we take our little alligator clips. I like to put them on the side away from the cows just so it doesn't cause any issues. Alright, so that is the connection, and then we'll follow the main line back to the power supply over here and throw the main switch, and then we'll let some cows into the pasture. Okay, so we're back at the juice. So we're just going to connect the juice up. Alright, that line is hot. You guys ready? Open up the old gate. See what they do. Yeehaw. Cows are happy. Pasture happy. Farmer happy. Oh, there's Madonna. She was born here, this little white one. Hey, Madonna. All right, success. It was great success. Thanks for joining me in the pasture today at Bidwell Canyon Farm. It's been a pleasure moving cows with you. If you want to help our farm grow, smash up that subscribe button down below. And thanks for joining us on another episode here at Bidwell Canyon Farm.